Grandparents University is a program for grandparents or those who identify as grandparents to bring children between the ages of 7 to 14 to campus. And between 2 days, they participate in a number of hands-on learning activities in one of our 33 majors.
So we've done wildlife ecology,
meteorology,
astronomy,
computer science,
physics,
Chinese language and culture,
and geology.
What was it, biochemistry? And we've never taken that.
Yeah.
And so they're learning and we're learning with them.
Where you're sitting with them and doing the same experiences they are and the learning and to see how much they enjoy it, but then we enjoy it too.
They get a sneak peek of what's available at UW. We've been to Camp Randall, we've been out to Picnic Point.
This is the first time that many of them have stepped foot on a college campus. It's the first time that they are staying in a residence hall overnight. It's the first time they're stepping into some of our state-of-the-art laboratories here at the university.
It's a rare chance to look forward. First time you really think about, boy, what a great place this is to go to college. And it's to see them light up and start talking about going to college, a really cool thing.
For kids to just open up and learn about things that you never would have an opportunity to teach them about. That's pretty special. And it's fun to play with grandkids without their parents.
That's why we're doing Grandparents University, to create that memory and that bond on the UW-Madison campus.